Alright friends, welcome back to another product review. Today I'm checking out a smart power strip, and this is from Nooie. This is a Wi-Fi with surge protector. Picked it up off Amazon. You can get it for about $50, and I'll leave a link in the description below. You guys can check it out if you want to. If you do click on that link, it helps support my channel if you buy something there on Amazon, so I do appreciate the support. Anyways, let's get rolling on this. So this thing says it has surge protection. It's powered. You can use it with your smartphone, Wi-Fi, let's see, Alexa, Google Home, etc. So this has 4 plugins, regular standard power, and also 4 USB. So we'll see what it says here. 4 smart outlets, 4 USB ports, space-saving design, surge protection, overload protection, remote control, schedule and timer voice control, and this runs on the 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi, like most things do. Non-traditional and smart. All right. Anyways, let's see what we got in the box here, shall we? All right. All kind of comes out there at once, I guess. Open this up. Alright, so smaller than I thought it'd be. That's cool. And there's that. So that's it for the box. Didn't see any instructions in there. And here we go. Okay, so that is kind of a small one. Not too bulky. I kind of like it. The cord, it's not your traditional plastic wrap. If you guys get a view of that, it's like a fiber or a cloth over the cord, which is, I think, is kind of cool. The cord is probably about 4 feet long, which is not a bad length for a cord. I like how the your plug-in metal pieces are, it's going to be flat, so when it goes up against the wall, it's not going to be sticking out the cord like this, but it's just going to run down along the wall. I like that. It's kind of a nice space-saving design, so they were kind of thinking with that. Okay. So it's got a nice little rubber part here on the end to protect it from this part, you know, getting frayed if it's getting bent too much, so that's kind of cool. Seems to be well built. Plastic, nice design here, nice and you know, sleek looking. Also, let's see, on the bottom it has 4 non-slip little silicone tabs there, so it keeps it from sliding around too much. And I like how the ports, you got a little bit of room. If you have a thicker plug-in, you're going to be able to plug them in still, because it's got some distance in between these, and some for your USB, so that's kind of cool as well. Alright, so that is what we got for the unboxing, my friends. I will be doing a review, and if it needs to be set up with an app or whatever, I'll be checking that out as well. So another thing, it does have little holes on the back for screw mounting, and the way it's situated, you can either do it probably, let's see, you could do it vertically like this or horizontally, whichever one suits your situation better. So, all right, my friends, thanks for watching this review, and we will see you next time. Everyone, take care of yourselves and be good. Bye.